Manipur remembers historic Nupi Lal. Chief Minister N. Biren declares to name Kaishampa to Sanjinthong Road as Nupi Lal Road. th state-level Nupi Lal Memorial Race with the participation of over 1,000 women marks the day. Congress MLA Kumuktam Joy Kishan asserts dictatorship rule of BJP government is nearing its end. And 12th Manipur State League resumes at Imphal Polo Ground after long hiatus today. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Primi Thangchum with the headlines and details. Manipur today paid rich tributes to those brave Manipuri women who opposed the indiscriminate export of rice from Manipur by businessmen with the support of the British government. The state-level 79th Nupi Lal Memorial Observance was held at Nupi Lal Memorial Complex today. Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren and Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar laid people in offering tributes to those brave women who fought gallantly against the monopolistic policies of the colonial rule in 1904 and 1939 since early this morning. Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren has declared to name Kaishampa to Sanjinthong Road as Nupi Lal Road in tribute to the brave Manipuri women who fought against the mighty British. Speaking at the observance, Chief Minister Biren appealed to women of the state to join the efforts of the government to bring peace and harmony in the state. He encouraged women of the state to enter politics and contribute in governance. Biren also urged everyone to leave behind discriminating attitude towards women. Highlighting the various undertakings of the government for the welfare of women, Chief Minister Biren mentioned that 12 culprits were convicted by fast-track court to prevent crime against women. Women employees in civil and police services are being assigned greater responsibility, acknowledging their potentials, and convenient housing loans are provided for land owned by women, amongst others. Acknowledging the inconveniences faced by public due to Nupi Lal Memorial observance by blocking public road, Chief Minister Biren assured of renovating areas in and around Nupi Lal Memorial Complex as soon as the new secretariat is inaugurated by March next year. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar lauded the contributions of women in the state. He asserted that when men encourage and cooperate women, state will witness peace and prosperity. Women artists of Nupi Lal Memorial and Khongjom Lal Memorial Society showcased a drama on Nupi Lal on the occasion.
Sumnagi lay katpa puja tawba ima ningsing baduna taw ai khoi gi anoba laksar ba comments ne practically Nupi da kaya myamna empower tongna ba emphasis pir ka under aspect pir ka anda moibu sat khangna ba activities moi ki capability se expose tongna ba gi tanja se pibra pidabra have to practically pallaga haijam ni ko SP ga CEO ga da mapan ne deputy commissioner da Nupi manga adi secretary ki level da ahum additional SP ki level da di amgra tara ai si responsible people ni ko sumnagi Nupi ne na hawai gi posting am pira ga thamam baduna taba Nupi angang bo haiba wahai am khang mindset la ri do lokthok ko matam yore Kaishampa na Nupi Lal Complex Sanjinthong Taba Sigi Lambi Matek se Ima Singh adugi mingda Nupi Lal Road Memorial oina damaina thamsira haibuge koi ama cabinet ka madu decision lorga koi lauthok chargani legislative assembly gi election da Nupi Singh ki participation yam darkar lai maram sa da ban blockade da mawa loduna lambi da free chala bani praja yam hatar bani se aduna Nupi qualified oi Nupi tholok pada soidana praja na vote pirakani.
Manipur Human Rights Commission in a press release paid tribute to the brave women who rose against the colonial rule on the occasion of Nupi Lal Memorial observance today. All Manipur Nupi Marup also observed the 79th national level Nupi Lal Memorial today. A public rally was flagged off from Irabad Bhavan to JN Manipur Dance Academy to mark the observance. Speaking on the occasion, President of All Manipur Nupi Marup, T.H. Sakhi, stated that the day reminds of the supreme sacrifices and bravery of those Manipuri women who fight gallantly against the colonial rule. She also mentioned that all Manipur Nupi Marup will continue commemorating the day in other parts of the country in collaboration with National Federation of India Women.
Manipur ki nupi la na se jati ki thakta tongan ba state singda pangthok na ba haidana akoi ngaji ware lauga dori bani akoi ga sum na ba tawrama se National Federation of India Women ki executive meeting amaga loina na nupi amadi angang singda ot nai riba amadi food security ki tongan ba sa ba phangda ba kaidok da ba somba mayam mion milai mayam se masi len na ba gi da makta akoi kholau kaya laugduna changsin ga dori bani.
Nupi Lal Ningsing Lamchil Organizing Committee organized the 27th state-level Nupi Lal Memorial Race today. Over 1,000 women took part in the race held in 3 categories from Nupi Lal Memorial Complex till Singjamai Supermarket today. In the above 59 years category, Thokchom Ibhimhan bagged the first position, B. Indira bagged the first position in 46 to 58 age category, while N. Sunita bagged the first position in the 35 to 45 age group. Speaking on the occasion, spokesperson of the committee, Yumnam Ibenu, stated that Nupi Lal Memorial Day reminds of the supreme sacrifices and valor displayed by the brave mothers of the state. She said the day signals everyone in the state to be hardworking and self-reliant.
Nupi na talaga di laipak ki ako'y laipak kasi hindi nupi na hanamang din tan talaga di ako'y tabak kuni magtapangtok tabanina ako'y nupi sing kasi thawna lindian laina sienda na kasi laini hai bado na nabagita magtasu kauli bani na bani poli laini ba praja singda ako'y napaulit sin yang badi ako'y nupi sing kasi ek da kaida na di ekna laida na asuk mathoram masida saru yabi duna ako'y nupi sing asina mamang thana chat na nabagita magta dausi hai dana ako'y spauja sa bijaning.
All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union Amaksu also joined in commemorating Nupi Lal at Manipur Press Club today. The union felicitated women of various communities on the occasion. Manipuri Literary Society Imphal also observed the day at Hindi Parishad Old Assembly Road. Poetries on Nupi Lal were recited in the event. Northeast India Development Party (NEIDP) also observed Nupi Lal Memorial Day at NEIDP office at Sagolbantera Sapam Lairak Machin. Party leaders N. Kunjakeshore and Daukhomang Khongsa were present on the occasion. Chowkhat Thaurang Kanglup and Apunba Nupi Marup Thauda Bhabok Laikai also jointly observed the 79th Nupi Lal Memorial Day at Chowkhat Thaurang Kanglup Community Hall today. Floral tributes were paid at the portraits of Nupi Lal, 1939 brave hearts laid Hamom Ningol Takilambam Ongbi Chaubiton and Langpok Lakpam Laibak Lay from Sega Road Thauda Bhabok Lairakai. Speaking on the occasion, member of Chowkhat Thaurang Kanglup Takilambam Irabot urged the relevant authority to pay due recognition to the 5 women freedom fighters from Sega Road who took active roles in the Nupi Lal.
Sega Lambigi, Quaitiki, Equina, Tamu, the Nunga Jetapama Paujeri Badi, Hairiba, Nupilan Chida, Saruya Kibi, Sega Lambi, Degi Nupi Manga, a Sam Kabule Debi, Sega Lambi, Porapam Lekai, Amadi Sirimati Kaisam Leno Debi, Sega Lambi, Porapam Lekai, Sirimati Lapola Pom Lebak Le Debi, Taudababo Lekai, Hamum Chobiton Debi, Segaro Taudababo Lekai, Amadi Tongbom Amubi Debi, Segaro, Konjing Hajari Lekai, Hairiba Sega Lambigi, Nupi Manga, Chia, Kaya, Taubi. Bidaba Gumboina Tawi, Hairiba Freedom Fighter, Oiriba, Asigunaba Tauna, Pabi Manga, Chair, Masichu, Masuki and Biu Haiduna, Segaro, Taudabo Lekai, Chakotauran, Kalmuki, Maikadegi, Punamona, Ninjari.
The Department of Teacher Education, Manipur University organized a community contact and awareness program in connection with Nupi Lal Memorial Day at Tentha Kunau in Thoubal district today. Professor Dr. Y. Indibor of the Department of Radiotherapy, RIMS enlightened attendees on preventive measures of breast and cervical cancer on the occasion. Students of the Department of Teacher Education, Manipur University also raised awareness on child marriage, domestic violence and child abuse during the program. A voluntary blood donation camp entitled Ngasigi Nupi Singna Hayengi Thaunagi Damak Kathok Chaba I Katpagi Thauram was held at Singjamai Supermarket in relation to Nupi Lal Memorial Day today. The camp was jointly organized by Life Savers Manipur, Singjamai Local Voluntary Blood Donor, HDFC Bank State Blood Cell NHM Manipur and Janam's Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit. 35 volunteers, including differently abled persons, donated blood in the camp. 79th Nupi Lal Observation Committee Amkil Kanglaimai Poirei Laimarol KWWA Amawova Nupi Samaj Tami Chingmi Nepwak Tutiwa WWOK organized in 79th Nupi Lal Memorial Day Camp public meeting at YWC Palace Compound today. Amkil President Panjawam Sakhi Laima, Kanglamai President Wailairik Laima, Poirei Laimarol President Puyam Memchobi, Chituwa President M. Purnimashi Laima, PPCM Convener N. Bimol Mitai, President of Kabui Mothers Association Manipur, G. Atongpi Kamuipui, Advisor of Kuki Women Union, Roj Mangsi, AMMWDO President Aribam Sithara Bagam, present and former leaders of various civil society organizations of the state attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, convener of the Observance Committee, A. Langdol Laima, urged everyone not to forget the contributions of the brave Manipuri women for bringing development and harmony in the state.
Nupi Kunaida Tinariba, Miot Mine Meama, Ram or Natragana, Atopa, Indian Army Wagera, Police Wagera, Masina, Quay the Pidi, but I think Mamji, Tingana Bagida Mata, Quay Om Subanupila Levacy, Siam Samatam Yoren, Hygienic, Manipura Kundamina, putting Mangna, Nupi Hibasi, Punjana Kanda, as over to Dangma Lomina Kanda, Nasi, Nupi, Bisingi, is at Kongauna Riba, putting Maxi, Aquay Puna, Tingna Matota, Hibasimaga Tamjage, Nupi Kunaina, Pangtokodoriba, Nupilan Observation Committee, Sina, Nasigi Tungi Mirolda, Apaba, Yaipaba, Aduga Nupi. Singbu apun bagi thodang lobang ngamba haibadu pinabirasano imagine logiba thodang dubu ningsang jarakanda akhoisu adugumba imagine dugi masa masuni ana khanjarakanda makhoina lorimba thodang du khoi chapchana bang ngamnaba khoi punna leminarasi.
Spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Kam MLA Thangmaiban Assembly Constituency Kumukcham Joy Kishan has asserted that the dictatorship rule of the BJP government is nearing its end. He stated that democracy will be reinstated after 2019 Lok Sabha election. MLA Joy Kishan was speaking in the inaugural of a newly constructed building of Naharo Leshemba Club Kam annual prize distribution ceremony in Thangmaiban Sinam Laikai today. MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan maintained that the BJP was humiliated in assembly elections to 5 states as declared yesterday. He alleged the BJP-led state government of suppressing freedom of speech of everyone, including media and civil society organizations, stating that good works of the government will be always appreciated but will not remain silent at any misconducts. MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan appealed everyone to be courageous in standing up against any misdeed. Ward number 2 Corporator Gaidon Gangmai, President of Naharol Lesemba Club Pratap Leshangthim and many people in the area attended the event. Naharol Lesemba Club also presented its annual prizes to meritorious students of the area on the occasion.
Manipur huzik khwaidagi pharak taba ma laibase akhoi democracy bu khongaung narakpa mioi benang wangang bu hak malakpa asugmo mayam am lakpase masini am section ngai doribse adubu yam nungai ba mane India da ngarang state manga gi election da akhoi miyam na dictatorship chalai hariba undeclared emergency chalai hariba adugumba BJP parties na state manga da amabo pan bangam gidabase masina takle India pumbana hariba lenga ase yaraktre habs tai India da democracy gi Sabjaba Saktam Mado 2019 gi matung dadi hanjalagani makhoi gi nampu sasan naibedo India gi miyam na yade habese utpa horakle ubusu phanglagani Manipur gi praja miyam Bharat gi praja pyam punamangna marek laina hingbagi mahawado laireni habese khoi ngarang dagi khangba hokre.
General Secretary of All Manipur VDF Welfare Association, Mohammad Riyaj Khan, has reminded the government not to forget to pay monthly honorarium of VDF personnel after its recent announcement for equal benefits to BDF personnel like that of police, MR, IRB in times of medical emergencies while on duty. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club today, Mohammad Riyaj Khan demanded the state government to pay their pending 3 months honorarium, including November month before Christmas on December 21st. He further demanded to discuss their demand for increasing the honorarium amount and to provide service security in the upcoming winter assembly session scheduled on December 20th and December 21st, failing which he warned of intense agitation the next day after the assembly session.
Dingtham bifam sida sungsoi soidana maki BDF singi matamga chanaba honorarium pinaba khanagani habigi thajaba lerekhibana maram oraga tamdu dai khoi gi strike adu handorakhibani December yauraga Christmas ki advance pay ga iroina halaga thawungi honorarium se date 20 December mangda pithok piu karigum pithok tabtara gadi masigi matungda makhal makya kya gi akanba agitation kaya ama sangsilaknabagi damakta welfare association na sem saraga lei lonana assembly sida karigum singa khoi gi honorarium gi matang mamangda yanakhiba wafam MLA Humpuna Tamakiva Tazaba, Honorable Chief Minister Naikoda Anirak, July date 25, August date 5, Tamakiva Tazabasi, Chapchana Tabuk to Ontrok of Taragadi, Madugi Matung Tarakpada, Assembly Hek Nongan Kibaga, Aquamakal Makakia, Kan Vegetation, Sanction and the Makta, Welfare Association, Sim Saraga Lady.
General Secretary of Peace and Development Coordinating Committee, Kundrakpam Constituency, Thaudam Hemjit has refuted the claims made by President of Kundrakpam Kendra Development Committee, Kundrakpam Meghachandra, regarding a statement made by Advisor of Peace and Development Coordinating Committee, Kundrakpam Constituency and Rajendra alias Boy on the concluding day of a coaching program held at Naurem Birahari College, Pangai. Briefing media at Manipur Press Club today, Thaudam Hemjit termed the allegations on N. Rajendra as baseless. He challenged Kundrakpam Meghachandra for an open public dialogue regarding his allegations. He appealed not to spread rumors on media to malign a person's image ever again.
PDCC advisor Dr. Rajendra Elias Boyna Kundrakpam Kendra gazetted officer Laite Wapam Sumtam Thambide Science stream the NB College Kundrakpam Gu in a Satra Maripu Thaba Satra Anika Pastor Pana Student Union Sina Kendra Sida Leva Hogul Labor Satra Sinda Afaba education with an Afaba in a pastor Adum College Oina Wakolda Adum free coaching Silva share Yamna Pava Lumbini Hana Pun Chatra Singapun Topi Giveni PDCC advisor na blame Tokiba condemn Toki Wapamdi Adum Laba coaching the Shin Naba Ihalan the student union Siga Simin Langmina Kiba Kendra Sigi Luchingba Adum Laba Shenpam Putokani Aina Shenpam Putokana to Silang or Noin Uyu Hydramanum the Yanaraga Silamaga by Shapiram Dai Ozagi to Lopiram Daida Nathairaga Chien Giba Upile de Haraga Chien Giba Luchingba Adum Silangamba Satras in the Namtatorumba Adum Luchingba Dubdi I condemn Tawi Hawapam Tambirambani.
A dead body of a woman was recovered at a paddy field in Luang Sangbam under Hengang police station today. The body was recovered in a paddy field opposite to Carmel Jyoti School in Luang Sangbam this afternoon. Body of the woman suspected to have died of poisoning is kept at Janim's morgue for investigation. A case was registered in this regard at Haingang Police Station. 87 Army trainees at Training Center of Kuga Battalion of the Indian Army in Kuga Churachandpur district have been inducted in the Indian Army. Altogether, 206 youths are currently undergoing training at the center. It may be mentioned that 65 youths from the center were recruited in the army last year. On the note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on post-harvest festival of Mar community Mar Sikpui Rue 2018 held at DRI Chingmairong. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break and you're watching Prime Time English News. Imphal Mar Sikpui Rio celebrated post-harvest festival of Mar community Mar Sikpui Rio 2018 at the auditorium of Tribal Research Institute in Chingmairong today. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren asserted that the present government is marching ahead for an inclusive governance without any discrimination based on caste, creed or religion, unlike the previous government. He assured of restoring the lost faith of the public due to bad governance of the previous government. The Chief Minister also assured of making available cold storage facility in Farzol district as a part of the government's undertakings to prevent decaying of agricultural produce of the hilly regions. He also assured of completing the ongoing constructions of a bridge of Barak River of Tipaimuk at the earliest, as there is no financial constraint. Biren also disclosed that Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has been apprised for upgrading Ziri-Tipaimuk Road into a national highway. He also mentioned that agreement has been signed with helicopter agency Pawan Hans for starting helicopter services in all the districts of the state, provided helipad facility is available. Chief Minister Biren stated that the government has no intention of relocating Farzol district headquarters and urged the people not to believe in rumors spread under a political agenda. Assuring of flying doctor services for catering to patients in interior areas of the state, Biren stated that the helicopter services under Nigrims will start as soon as the ongoing helipad construction inside RIMS campus is completed. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Kondojam MLA Dr. S. Ranjan and Tipaimuk MLA Dr. Charlton Lian Amo also attended the event, highlighted by various traditional dance performances of Mar and Kom communities.
Aduna politicians in the ngang but hazard of what we said 50% again at 50% of a person will Aduna people's trust, confidence, security. Aduna Sukwana no one but the Numita of the Prazakidam Brazil politicians said Fazana Hainadi. People's the lady was doubt, people's the lady was mistrust, Sidopoki having any of this. Politician, hey, Madi, Queen of Board Peter Kavani, what he said he will do. Hey, Madi, she took the money, Madi Tony had it open, Habido, Adugi, confidence, I people's the people party. I don't know.
Affairs of Benign Center ABC in a press release urged the government to reconsider before naming Imphal West DC to Game Village Road as MC Marycom Road. The first public showcase of Mummy Artists Association 5th production, Nakada Kenjige, was held at Sangai Bazaar campus in Hyangthang Takilambam Konjin yesterday. Former Minister and Advisor of Manipur State Sumang Lela Council, Dr. Morangthem Nara, producer of Mummy Artists Association K.H. Inaubi, co-producer Ningthaujam Nandakishore, Sangai Bazaar Chief Advisor K.H. Gambhir, and many people attended the event. The play is directed and written by Narendra Ningomba. Speaking in the event, Dr. Morangthem Nara stated that Sumang Lela is an exclusive and rare art form of the state. He said popularity of Sumang Lela is increasing not only in the state but in the world. He urged for public support to promote the art form. The play Nakada Kenjage brings a special message for bringing harmony and development in the state.
Maruina akoigi kunai asidaida amaga nungsinaba walakpa ada akoi masensi nungsinasi akoi punsi di hairaga akoi si kramaina pungadoribano kanadagi hogodobono habasi asobo wafam ama oi punbasi engondagi hobotai aina aigi imung manung nungsinaba aigi ipa isa nungsinaba se masingam daba taragadi akoi kana gano ba koina pundorise nakal amromda aina haijaning basi apokpa ngaktana masa nate heba ade ipa nate heba pokmina daba adugumba iyamba singdo adusu pokmina badagi hena nungbu nungsinaragadi thawai fawba kathokpa ngami haiba pot adu ai lilasi da khajitang haina na bhona jabani.
School of Nursing Porompat Khabai Soy held the 16th batch 2018 capping, lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony for nursing trainees today. Speaking as the chief guest, Neroka FC president and proprietor of Arun Enterprises, Thangjam Arun Kumar, encouraged the nurses to take up their duties and responsibilities wholeheartedly. He also urged the public to stop mob culture and blaming the medical staffs in times of any medical mishaps. Nursing Superintendent of JNM's P. Landhoni also attended the event.
Manipur am toina issue ina thui ba cases mayam laire doctor ki negligence ki mi ma siraga su doctor asina loina kanbadi ngamanate nurse loina mi kanba ngamanate mi oi ba adi hospital da mi sibi adab dong na he Manipur da he chana bi malai mi hek siraga di doctor da taina ba natraga nurse da taina ba loina mak adagi nurse loina mak ta hek ta blame to bi dan to ba dum ba goto na mayam su thui aduna koi Manipur gum da di sigi profession da leibi de ba nurse ki profession da leibi ba medical line ki profession da leibi ba sing si yam section badar le han khan thamjage Manipur am toina
Manitko Manitron Chairman cum MLA Hyanglam constituency Dr. Yumnam Radhesham inspected Hyanglam Primary Health Center at Hyanglam Laipanganba today. Speaking to media, MLA Y. Radhesham stated that he came to check the requirements at Hyanglam Primary Health Center for upgrading it into a health and wellness center. He also assured of inaugurating staff's quarters of the center without further delay. The MLA also took stock of the laking infrastructure at Arong PHSC, Langmaidong PHSC and Wabagai PHSC under Hyanglam Primary Health Center. Chairman of Manipur Infrastructure Development Agency, MIDA, O. Lukhoi, has laid a foundation stone for construction of a community hall at Irom Maijrao Maning Laikai in Wangoi constituency of Imphal West District today. O. Lukhoi assured of completing the community hall at the earliest in appeal for public cooperation in the development of the constituency.
Development paikhalakpa matamda ranti puchanaraga ayetpa yekhaiba thingaiba puchanabugi wakhalonchima thadoknaraga MLA kajari ba yahangna ngambana ayahangna aigi megaidagi aina ngammaduna aina tawjaba kanagoma social worker sing miyamgi seba tawningba thokpirekpa mayamnasu mana ngambagi capacity duda honabiraga tawbirakpa maduda khoi masen support tawnadra mateng pangnadana chakhotpa nungaiba watapadaba dugumba kendrama haibado woiminasi
Rotary Club Imphal, in association with Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kipgint, organized a one-day mega health camp at Kaithalmanbi in Kangpokpi district today. Around 1,500 individuals were checked up by 20 doctors from various fields, and free medicines were also distributed during the camp. Composite Hospital, CRPF Manipur and Nagaland sector in collaboration with State Leprosy Officer, Medical Department, Manipur organized a leprosy awareness campaign at CRPF Group Center, Langjing on December 10th. State Leprosy Department Medical Officer Dr. Ratna Sari and leprosy expert Dr. W. Rajendra gave resourceful insights about leprosy in the event. It may be mentioned that Composite Hospital, CRPF and Regional CRPF Welfare Association, Manipur and Nagaland sector in collaboration with Manipur AIDS Control Society organized World AIDS Day awareness campaign in relation to World AIDS Day at CRPF Group Center, Langching on December 7th. DC Taubal Hawam Rosita flagged off a public awareness rally to raise awareness on gender ratio and Beti Bachao Beti Padhao mission today. The rally flagged off from Taubal Municipal Council concluded at Taubal DC complex. Students, Asha and Anganwadi workers took part in the rally. Srila Sripada Educational Foundation and Cultural Research Center began a two-day Vyasha Puja in commemoration of His Divine Holiness Damodara Swami Sripada Maharaja at Ranganiketan Mandap in Sangay Pro today. Discussion program entitled Langwon Langdai, jointly sponsored by UNESCO Club Manipur and KHNSI, was held on the occasion where joint Secretary of UNESCO Club Dr. Thauchom Chandramani gave resourceful insights on the topic, emotional integration through culture. Traditional dance of Tarao in Kabir communities were performed in the event.
I am already going to protect our Horopuduna, Nasiti Tom, Amana, Manipuda Kundari, watching me. Schedule tribe, Amadi Kunda Driba, Amasu, Kogi count of Driba. I the population less than 10,000 say, Barat Sakana, policy, when a count of the Adumapu, policy manum to the way happy. Aduna Aduguma, Apipazati, Singumasi, promote Taupase, Equigi, policy the Suyore, at an 11-5-year plan, Maku protect the Gudamani Haidana, Equi Loinum, high community could make a pictorial glossary, Equi Shema Loire. Tarawi pictorial glossary, Shemre. Aduga Maringi pictorial glossary shame, increasing pictorial glossary shame. Aduga Makui dying art form singer say, promote the Buki Saruga Monakunapum, I am the way Pudana Salivase, Masiki Kudam Mamadunena Tabli.
And now the sports news. The 12th Manipur State League resumed today after a long gap owing to various unfortunate incidents. In today's 48th league match, DM Rao Sekmai and Nako Nambul Mapal were drawn nil. Player of Nako Nambul Mapal, K. Chandrakanta, was given a yellow card in the match. While in the 49th league match played today, Nisa Thangaiban beat AM Khabam Lamkai 1-0. The winning goal was scored by Muhammad Rahman at the 38th minutes of the match. All Manipur Football Association organized the league matches sponsored by Kumukcham Ingocha Memorial Trust at Imphal Polo Ground. In tomorrow's first league match, FC Zalin will play against Muvanlai Athletics, while in the second league match, Strau Kwakaithel will face Sagolban United FC. Imphal District Tennis Association IDDA in a press release informed that the association is organizing a winter tennis camp for boys and girls in the age group of 7 to 14 years from December 17 to December 30th. Interested individuals are requested to get further details from IDDA office, Langol Road near Central School, Lamphilpad. Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur remembers historic Nupi Lal. Chief Minister N. Biren declares to name Kashampa to Sanjainthong Road as Nupi Lal Road. '27th state level Nupi Lal Memorial Race with the participation of over 1,000 women marks the day. Congress MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan asserts dictatorship rule of BJP government is nearing its end. And 12th Manipur State League resumes at Imphal Polo Ground after long hiatus today.